Smartphone graphic design refers to creating visual content, editing images, and designing various graphics using applications available on smartphones or tablets. It's a convenient and accessible way for beginners to start exploring the world of design without requiring expensive software or powerful computers. Here's a brief introduction for beginners. Understanding basic design principles. Familiarize yourself with fundamental design principles like balance, contrast, alignment, proximity, and color theory. These principles will guide your design decisions and help create visually appealing graphics. Choosing the right app. There are numerous graphic design apps available for smartphones. Some popular ones include Adobe Photoshop, Express, Adobe Spark, Post, Canva, Procreate, Pocket, and Over. Experiment with a few to find one that suits your style and needs. Learning the tools. Spend time understanding the tools and features within your chosen app. Learn how to use layers, text tools, brushes, filters, and other functions to manipulate images and create designs. Starting with basic projects, begin with simple projects such as creating social media posts, designing personalized wallpapers, making simple logos, or editing photos. Practice is key, so start small and gradually increase the complexity of your designs as you become more comfortable. Utilizing templates and resources. Many design apps offer pre-made templates, stock images, fonts, and design elements. These can be helpful starting points for beginners. Customize these templates to suit your needs and slowly develop your own unique style. Experimenting and seek inspiration. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, colors, and layouts. Look for inspiration from other designers, online tutorials, or design communities on social media platforms. Analyze designs you admire to understand what makes them effective. Getting feedback. Share work with friends, family, or online design communities to receive constructive feedback. This can help you understand areas for improvement and gain valuable insights. Learning and improving continually. The world of design is vast and constantly evolving. Keep learning by watching tutorials, reading design blogs or articles, and practicing regularly. As you gain experience, you'll refine your skills and develop your unique design style.